You know, the Apple Watch that you're wearing, the phone in your pocket, the computer that you're working on, that is going to be obsolete. My name is Kolby Martineau, and I am one of the directors of account management. My passion is collecting luxury and vintage watches and fixing and repairing them.
It's going to be very, very, very fragile.
My wife in 2017 actually bought me my first, what I'd consider like a nice watch. I didn't wear a watch at all, not a big jewelry guy. I love the idea of the craftsmanship behind it. There's an artistry to it. Here's a piece that somebody made. What has this thing done? Like, where's it been? Why is this $100 and this one's $100,000? Like, why is it special? I've got watches that are older than my father with a service and some light repairs, like still keep time great. You learn what goes into making that, and it's really a piece of art. I want to understand how things work. It's not good enough that they work. This is a 1940s era Waltham watch. This little guy. Waltham, Massachusetts used to be called Watch City. Waltham Watch Company was headquartered in Waltham, Massachusetts. And they were one of the largest manufacturers in the United States of wristwatches and pocket watches. We work right where these things used to be made. And I can pretty much guarantee this 70-year-old watch, I'm gonna get running and it's gonna be running well. Something's broken, you don't know how to fix it. It forces you to learn. I'd argue that you don't necessarily need to be an expert per se. You need to have a growth mindset.